This is the future.
First of all, a very good afternoon to both of you. Welcome to IMTEX Bangalore.
Visiting IMTEX 2025 and also the Shubhline automation particularly. So, yeah.
All right. So we are here at Shubhline Automation, and this is India's first ever manufacturer that makes heavy-duty double column machining centers.
Right.
Yeah. So I just want to ask you, we have a model right behind us, right? What do you think about the model?
Specific, this machine is very heavy duty and its structure is like German and Russian machines. So I think it is India's first manufacturer who is manufacturing these heavy duty CNC machines for specific double column.
This is the
And
future.
other than that, I would like to ask you, what are your favorite features in the machine?
The main features of this machine is main rigidity and construction of the body structure of the machine. And the particular, they have also designed center axis in out, which is generally not found in universal machine or any Russian machine also. I think this is third or fourth manufacturer in all over world who is manufacturing this type of heavy duty double column. I have already placed one order right now here.
Okay.
It is a specific customized manufacturing machine. It is around 8 axis machine, and it has VTL and double column combination machine. So it will be India's first machine, and size is around X 10 meter and Y 7 meter.
Okay, that sounds absolutely amazing. How was your experience purchasing the machine? Like placing the order? How was the team? How did you find the entire experience?
Personally, I say this is a very honest deal and very transparently deal I have experienced ever, because throughout from the marketing to placing the order, I have seen totally transparent communication, and whatever they said, they are promised to deliver also on time.
All right, that is amazing. I'm so happy that you both had a good experience over here purchasing the machine. And thank you very much for this interview. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.